Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Educational Society, Department of Civil Engineering. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. As a continuation of my previous class, where we are discussing about how to calculate included angles. In previous class, we have calculated included angles up to theta c. So, as a continuation of that, I am explaining here how to calculate the included angle at station D. If you want to calculate an angle or included angle at station D, if you see here, whatever the station D diagram clearly drawn here, so it is clumsy here to see, that's why I drawn here clearly. So if you want to find this included angle, so this is my included angle, this is my included angle. If I want to find this included angle, how to calculate? So that your total, this D value is from north to here and this is from here to here. So if I want to this angle, that is forebearing of DE minus back bearing of CD, that is forebearing of DE minus back bearing of CD will gives you the included angle at that particular station. So the forebearing of DE, what is the value of forebearing of DE? That is forebearing, forebearing is, that is 189 degrees 15 minutes. That is the forebearing of DE. And the back bearing of CD, the back bearing of CD is 101 degrees 30 minutes. So if you subtract these 189 degrees 15 minutes minus 101 degrees 30 minutes will gives you the included angle, that is 87 degrees 45 minutes. So this 85 degrees 45 minutes is the included angle at station D. This is my included angle. This included angle value is 87 degrees 45 minutes. So in the similar way, I will calculate at station E. I will calculate at station E that interior angle. If I want to calculate that interior angle at station E, this is my interior angle at station E. If I want to find that interior angle, that forebearing of EA minus back bearing of DE. What is my forebearing of EA? That is my, this is my forebearing of EA value. The forebearing of EA value is 124 degrees 45 minutes. This is my angle, that is the forebearing of EA. The back bearing of DE, how much? The back bearing of DE is 9 degrees 15 minutes. Your value is 9 degrees 15 minutes. That value is, if you subtract this forebearing of EA minus back bearing of DE, that is 124 degrees 45 minutes minus 9 degrees 15 minutes. That will gives you 115 degrees 30 minutes. Your interior angle at station E, your interior angle at station E is 115 30 minutes. This is my interior angle. So after calculating all these interior angles, so we need to check whether the calculated included angles are right or wrong. So we need to cross check. How to cross check these interior angles, what we have calculated is right or wrong? There is a formula to check that. So see, if you observe here, whatever the interior angles I have calculated, that interior angle at theta A 162 degrees 30 minutes, theta B is 94 degrees 45 minutes, and theta C is 79 degrees 30 minutes. Theta D is 87 degrees 45 minutes and theta E is 115 degrees 30 minutes. So if you add all these interior angles, the sum of that interior angle should be 540. Okay, I got 540. Okay, the sum of these all interior angles I have got 540. So here the formula is, if you want to check whether your interior angles calculated right or wrong, that is 2 into n minus 4. That is nothing but 2n minus 4. This is the formula. 2n minus 4 into 90 degrees will gives you the check whether this one and your sum of the interior angles will matches. Then your whatever the calculated interior angles are right. So we'll observe here. What is n here? N is nothing but number of stations. That n is nothing but number of sites or number of stations. Okay, that number of stations in this particular problem is 5. So I have taken n equal to 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 6 into 90 will gives you the 540 value. So the sum of your interior angles and your check of n minus 4 into 90 degrees will both are equal. So whatever the included angles you are calculated, that are correct. So sometimes what happens means, due to some reasons there will be a error. So that error is nothing but that error we need to eliminate that error and we need to calculate again. So this, in this particular problem, the both we got correct. So this is the how to calculate these interior angles when the bearings have been given. Okay, thank you.